Hey guys, I'm Khadijah from Kay's Beauty Lounge, and I am here to show you guys how to do a brow tutorial. So here we go. As you may already know, there are multiple things that you can use to go ahead and do your brows. There is a brow crayon, a brow pencil, and actually a brow pomade. So here I will be using a custom-made brow pomade that I actually made for myself. So let's try it out and see how it goes. So when I'm getting ready to do my brows, I take the spoolie and I just brush the hair to where I want them to be. So I usually just go up in the front and then I just slide them over along with the rest of the hair, and then I move the ending down. And this one does the same thing. Basically just slide it up and then slide it over. Oof. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my angle brush. You can see that I've used it many times before to do my brows. And I'm going to use my brow pomade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some from here. Actually, that's a lot. I'm going to take some. And I'm actually going to put it in the top container of my brow pomade. And I'm just going to basically just move it around my brush just so I'm in more control of the amount that I want. Once I'm done doing that, I am then going to start at the bottom and kind of follow where my brow is on the bottom, and then I'm going to go to the top and I'm going to do the same thing, just like that. And then I'm just going to fill in the middle. I am then going to go back to my spoolie, and I'm just, for the front, I'm just going to move the brow pomade that I put at the bottom here. I'm just going to take it and just kind of move it through the front, just so that it's very, very light in the front. And then for the middle part, I'm just going to take the pomade that was already there, and I'm just going to continue to brush it through my brows. So there's that one. And for my other one, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go in here, get some of the product, and then I'm going to start from the bottom. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the top. And then again, go through the middle. I'm going to take my spoolie and I'm just going to brush it through. Okay, so in order for me to clean them up, I am now going to take my custom made concealer right here. I made it into the color that I want it to be. So I'm going to take my concealer, and again, I'm going to use the top of the container that the concealer is in. I'm going to take my brush, and I'm just basically gonna again follow my brow line with the concealer the same way I did the brow pomade. But now I'm literally just cleaning it up so it is the shape that I want it to be. And this way you can basically control how thin you want your brow to look. And then once I do that, I just blend it in. And then I'll even sometimes just bring the concealer down so I can just start my eyeshadow. So you can kind of see the difference from one eye with concealer and then the other one without concealer. Okay, so again, going back into the container, and I'm actually gonna need a little bit more foundation or concealer, a little bit more concealer. And then I'm gonna do the exact same thing. So follow my brow line. I think this is like my favorite part of actually doing my brows, because it basically shows that you can like pretty much be messy with your brows and then just clean it up with the concealer, which is awesome sometimes, definitely when you're like in a rush. So that's it. And then if I want, I can definitely go back in with the spoolie and then just fix the directions of my brows. And that is it. So that is how I do my brows. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment. And until then, thank you guys for watching. Bye.